Hey everybody, how's it going? So we got a quick unboxing slash little unbagging to do from an item I picked up from eBay for the 2000 limited 4Runner. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smoosh the bell notification icon. Alright, so I picked this up from eBay. It just has my address on it. Looks like it came from Nevada. Not sure what the name is, it's kind of really hard to read. But should be a item for the Toyota. Got plenty of other items showing up. Oh yeah, it is the e-locker switch. RR Diff lock. Sweet. So the limited, I picked this up because the limited that I just purchased does not have an e-locker. I plan to wire up the e-locker. I did also purchase the e-locker module. That's usually under the driver's side left kick panel. That controls this switch, as well as when you push this switch, it will also tell the dash light on the tachometer to turn on, saying the rear diff is engaged, diff lock is engaged. I actually purchased 2 of these because I plan on also, once I get my SR5, when I get my SR5 completely back up on the road and repaired, I'm also thinking about switching out the rear axle and setting up a diff lock in it as well. So I purchased 2 switches. These are light up switches. So this emblem will light up. It's in a very nice condition. The tangs are still in one piece. You know, I only spent like 12 bucks on it, which is not bad. This is where the bulb is. See, there's the bulb. Looks like a good bulb. Which is nice. So it comes with a bulb in it. And then you just twist it and put it back in its lock. Oh, my head is kicking my butt. I got a migraine and I've been sick. Which is kind of funny in my opinion because I got into a truck accident and then I got sick. But that's all it is a e-locker switch. Got a bunch of other orders coming in from eBay. Lots of extra goodies for the stereo. Will also be a stereo showing up as well. A used stereo. Used Mavic 8200 NEX navigation system. I've got 2 of them already. I want to put the same stereo in the new limited. I really like it. It's relatively not too expensive now. When I purchased the one for my SR5, which is actually this guy up here, I paid $1,500 for it. And when I purchased the one, no, I paid $900 for this one because I bought it after the Fords. The Ford is the one I paid $1,500 for. So this would be the 3rd time, and the first time I bought it for the Ford. I really liked it. What my SR5 4Runner originally had in it is this AVIC or AVH P8400BH. It's just a Bluetooth stereo, which it's actually still in the box because I took that out. I took this stereo out and I put this one in the 4Runner, which had the navigation. And I put that one back in the box. Nobody wanted to buy it from me, so I kept it. And, you know, put it back in the box, put it in storage, and then decided, oh man, I should go grab that out. And then I realized, you know, I really didn't need to grab the CD and DVD player, the one that I just pointed down there, because it doesn't have navigation, and that was the main thing why I switched it out, because I really like the navigation. So took that one out of the 4Runner and put it in 8200 NEX. And then I took that 8200 NEX out of my SR5 because it got wrecked, and I figured I would throw this one into the limited for the time being, because if I get the same stereo, then I don't have to rewire anything. I could just unplug one, put the one on the top of the toolbox back in the SR5 when I get another one in the mail for the limited. So kind of make things a little easier and smooth. If everything is wired up, I get everything wired, you know, the backup camera, the microphone, the bypass for the video, because sometimes when I'm driving down the road, my wife likes to watch movies on the stereo, and the kids like it too, and the bypass helps when you have screens in your headrests. So I plan to do the bypass again, so that way, instead of me listening to music, I can listen to the movie while I'm driving, and they can enjoy a movie while we're going down the road. I never really recorded that back then. Who knows? Maybe I'll record it this time. I don't know. It's a bunch of wiring. Wiring is technically, in my opinion, it's boring to watch people wire. I love wiring stuff. That was one of my main expertises, was wiring, for computers as well as cars. But, you know, just a quick video. Just a little bitty old RR diff lock switch. That's it, guys. I'll probably take some alcohol and wipe this Z0 off. It is a genuine Toyota part. If you guys are looking for this switch, part number is 931-1 Zelda 81. It's kind of hard to see. It's right there. Front of the switch says 156538. But that's all I got for you guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully, I'll see you guys on the next episode. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Y'all have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!